Okay, welcome to part 2 of this Five Nights at Freddy's in Roblox tutorial. So in this part I'm gonna be showing you how to program the doors and the lights. So go ahead and find the right door button. You can just hold Alt and click this, or Option if you're on Windows, or you can just search the workplace for it. And just add a script, and we're gonna just get the click detector. So local click detector equals script.parent.click detector, and then we're just gonna say click detector dot mouse click colon connect function. We're just gonna make sure this works. So warn click. Warn is the same thing as a print, it's just orange. So now if we play, and if we click the door, oh, we need to open the output. So yeah, we click the door, nothing happens, but I think that's because the activation distance is low, because remember our character is way far away from here. So what we can do is just set this to like a million, 10 million or whatever, just a really high number. Then when we press play, it should work. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we want to do stuff when we click it. So we can rename this script to the right door. And when we click it, we want the door to go down. So I wonder if they modeled the entire door. Right office door. If they did, that's great. We can just use this. Yeah, they did. Okay. So we just need to make this go down when we click the button. So to do that, we just need to get the door and then just basically move its position down. So what I'm gonna do here is, I don't know the path to this. I could probably check, but there's so much stuff in here. So I'm just gonna do this through a script. So we'll say for underscore v in pairs. I don't remember what this is called. Advanced FNAF map 1 colon get descendants. What get descendants does, it's like get children, but it'll get the children of the children of the children and so on. So basically it'll get everything, all the children in the advanced FNAF 1 map. And then we'll say if v dot name equals right office door, then let's make a local right office door. We just call it right door. Right door equals v, and then when we click this button, let's just say v dot position equals v dot position plus, sorry, not v, this is right door, plus, what's it at right now? 14. We want to move that down. Let's just say it's okay, vector c dot new right door dot position dot x, and we'll say like, I don't know, 5, and right door dot position dot z, and let's try this. So we click that, and Let's see, did we get any errors? No. Oh, sorry. No, yeah, actually, yeah, we don't want right door plus that. We just want this. Okay, let's see here if okay, it's laggy, but lagging. Okay, here we go. Click that. There we go. It went down. This part here is not moving for some reason. Uh, what is this? Oh, okay, yeah, that's that texture. Yeah, I won't worry about that for now. We can move that after, but so was that was that too high or too low? Okay, it's a bit low, so we'll change it to maybe like I don't know, 10 or maybe like 7. We'll see 7. Yeah, that it's okay, maybe 6. Okay, yeah, that works. And then we obviously want to bring it back up. So let's have a variable called right door down, set it to false, and then we'll toggle it here. So right door down equals not right door down. So if it is down, so if right door down, then move it down. If it's up, then move it up. I think it was like, what is it right now? The position, the Y position, 14.813. So I'll just set it back to that. And then, yeah, this should move the door up and down. Yeah, perfect. And then right now it's like instant if we can animate it, so we can say let's create a function for this. So local function animates door, animate right door. Or we can do the make this for any door actually. So then we'll just have to pass in the door and whether it's opening or closing. So we'll just say call it open for now, I guess. So if open, then door. Oh yeah, so we're gonna want to do this in a loop. So we can say while true do we'll just move it down by like 0.1 each time. We'll tweak with the values and see what it's like. But right door, or sorry, we're just using door dot position. We can just copy this, put it here, and we're gonna say we'll need a variable called, I guess, y pause, and then we'll set that. Here we'll say y pause, or yeah, we'll do this and there. So if open, do this, and I want to say if uh, the position is, if the y pause is 6, so if y pause is less than or equal to 6, I'm doing less than or equal to just in case, like, if we changed it to be like a bigger, like, decrement, then it might go down to, like, skip from, like, I don't know, 6.1 to 5.9 or something. I don't think we're going to be doing building that big, but just in case. Uh, so yeah, then return, we just want to return the entire function. We can get out of here. And then instead of doing this, I'm just going to comment that out for now. We can say animate door, pass in the door we want, and then open, or we can just pass in right door down. In fact, we shouldn't need any of this. Let me just write down this for later. 14.13. So yeah, we should be able to get rid of all of this and just say animate door, the door, so right door, and then right door down. So if it's down, so actually, yeah, this should be if not open, because then if it's closed, let's just change this to closed. I just like it better. So if closed, then yeah, close it. Okay, let's see. Okay, that was very fast. Oh, I forgot the weight. You're gonna want to put like a weight, like 0.1 or something. Otherwise, it'll do that and just be instant, and then there's no point. Um, that was still very fast. Let's change this to like, let's see what 0.5 is like. Oh, sorry. Okay. Y pause, we need to set this to 14.813, this value. Yeah. But that's only if, yeah, if that's only if it's closed. So if it's closed, then Y pause is over that. We can just initialize it here. Okay, yeah, there we go. Obviously, we're going to speed this up, but yeah, it's working. And then it should stop. Yep. Okay, so now let's smooth that out. We can do two things. We can make this shorter or make this smaller. I'll probably do, we'll try that for now. Just add another zero, see how slow that is. Okay, let's add another zero, see what that's like. Okay, I don't think that'll get any faster. I'm gonna put it back to this. So we're gonna have to make this increase fast. Let's say like 0. I don't know, 25. Let's see what that's like. Okay, maybe a like 0.5. I feel like that'll be, well, we'll see. Okay, I think that's, I'm pretty sure it's really fast in the original, but you can, yeah, you can, let's see if we do one. Yeah, you can tweak this and make it however you want. Uh, but yeah, I like that. Okay, that's good. And then obviously we want to bring it back up. So actually, here we can just do y pos equals door dot position dot y. That's much better. So if closed, so else, so if the door is, if we're opening the door, then we can copy this while loop and basically just +1 if y pos is less, sorry, this time we want greater than or equal to 14.813, then we wait, or not wait, then we, yeah, increase it by 1, and yeah, that should work. Let's see. So it goes down, then goes back up. Yep. Okay, good. So that's working. Now we can just do the exact same thing for the left door. We can just copy the script. Where was it? It was on the button, so yeah, copy, and then, you know what actually might be better? This might be better if we just put this all in one script. So if I collapse this, just go to server script service script, delete that, and, or no, I was gonna just take, yeah, just paste that script into here, delete it from the other place. So we'll right door button, oh, here it is. We can just delete this, and then we'll just use this one. So this click detector, we're just gonna need to do the same thing we did here. So let's grab this. Let's make this a function actually, just so it's neater. So local function find, I don't know, instance, sure, name, and then just take this for loop, put it in here, and say if v equals v.name equals name, then return v. Okay, so now we can say that the click detector is the is going to be find instance. We need to rename this though. Right door button. Let's call this, okay, RD for right door click detector. So equals find instance RD click detector. Let's just put a thing here. If we don't find it, we can find name. Okay. Right door click detector, and then right door equals find instance. I believe, what was it called? Right door. What was it called? I do not remember. Let's just check here. Right office door, right. Right office door. And then, yeah, we should also rename this. Okay, let's collapse this again. But yeah, we should rename the script to just gonna call it game manager for now. I don't know how much we'll put in here. We'll rename it later if we end up just using it for the doors. Actually, yeah, just call it door manager. Get rid of this. So yeah, let's see if this works. Yep, it's all working fine. And now we can do the left door and we can do it all in the same script. So we're not having a million scripts and a bunch of random parts that are going to be impossible to find. So yeah, let's change this to right door click detector. And then we're going to need to do all this, but for the left door. Well, just the click detector part. So let's get local left door click detector equals find instance. I'm just going to assume it's called left office. Oh no, sorry, this is the click detector. So LD click detector. We're going to have to go and rename that. So let's go here, left door button. Just put LD before it. Yeah, so LD click detector, and then here we'll say local local left door equals find instance. I'm assuming it's called left office door, and then left door down equals false, and then copy this, change the click detector to left door click detector, change right door down to left door down, and pass in left door, and yeah, this should work. This is lagging a bit. 1 second. Okay, here we go. Oh, right. We need to change the max activation distance. I'm just going to do it in this script. You can do this, find it in the hierarchy or in the Explorer and change it, but I'm just going to do it here because I don't want to go all the way there. But LD click detector dot max activation distance is equal to like 10 million. Now we should be able to hit it. Okay, this is lagging again. Okay, here we go. There we go. And it is not working. Let's see why. I don't think there was anything in the console. No. Okay. Let's see here. So we say left door down, not equal left door down. We animate door down. So not sure why it didn't go down. Oh, yeah, okay. This should just be doored up position. I don't know how I didn't notice this before, but okay, there we go. It's working. So now I think it came with a sound as well. Let's see if this is the door sound. Oh no, that's the power out. Do they have a door sound? Uh, let's see, right? Office door. Okay, let's just click into here. Okay, is this the door sound? Yeah, okay, they do have it. So let's rename this to I guess, door sound. Let's find it in here. So local door sound equals find instance door sound, and then whenever we click the button, we just want to play it, so we'll say door sound play, and then same thing here. If you are not using this map and still want to use this sound, the ID is 179054361 right there. You can pause the video and copy it. And let's test this. Okay, perfect. And so, yeah, that's the doors done. I've updated this so that the door now moves down with the yellow thing at the top. I kind of forgot about it, so I went back and added it. All you have to do is in the animate door function, just make another y pause variable that's called, or you can call it what you want, but it's door.part.position.y, and then you just do the same thing, so decrement it by 1 here, and then just do the exact same thing before but with the other y pause, and the same thing here, but you increase it, and it's just the same thing, and that's all you have to do for that. So now for the lights. This might be hard to see because it's so bright, but we'll try it anyways. I wonder if they have a light in here. Yeah, I doubt it. So okay, so let's build a light. So let's just add like a spotlight. Where did this part go? Okay, it's up here. The light just, I think it just shines sort of like, oh, okay, with all this bright light, and we'll put a spotlight on it. Now where is, okay, so that's facing there. Change the brightness to like 10, range like 5, 10. Okay, I guess that's fine. Yeah, if we make this dark, let's see, 0 clock time 0. Okay, there's a ton of lights in here. Probably gonna just disable all the lights when we're in the game, and then we'll see what this looks like. So yeah, and also we'll yeah, we should actually put this one in a module script. Let's do that first. Script create a folder, call it modules. Wait, oops. Create a module script. We'll call this, I don't know. Just functions for now. I honestly, I don't know. Anyways, so function, so yeah, function, we'll call this functions, so functions dot find instance. We want the name and that's it, yeah. Okay, and then we can just copy this. And I'm going to change this to just game.workspace so we can find things anywhere. So yeah, let's create a new script. We'll call this light manager. Again, you can name these scripts whatever you want. This is just what I'm naming them. And also here we'll say functions equals functions. So equals require. We're just putting the module script in. So require. We can use the the find instances in this. So equals game.server script servers modules functions, and then we can get rid of this and just say yeah, functions dot find instance. Did I capitalize it? Okay, it's lowercase that. Functions dot find instance. I'm just going to copy this, put it before all of these, and then let's just check, make sure it still works. Yeah, okay, perfect. So let's copy this line. I wanted to get rid of all the lights, so let's do for Mr. V in pairs game.workspace advanced map get descendants. So here I just want to check if V is a spotlight, then I just want to disable it. So V dot enable equals false. Now let's see if this works. Perfect. Okay. So now you can see our spotlight that we put here. Yeah. So let's make this invisible. And we want to make this click detector we'll call this right RL for right light click detector, max activation distance to like 10 million. I'm gonna do the same thing with the door, keep it consistent. We'll just change it in here instead of in the script. Then we can get rid of this because it's just random. I don't want to do one here and the rest not. And while we're at it, we can change the left light button. Call this left light, and then change this like 10 million. I don't know. Okay, so now when we want this spotlight to start off. Yeah, so start this off, and then when we press the button, we want to enable it. So let's get the light. So local right light equals functions dot find instance right light, and then I know it's like just in the workspace. I can say game.workspace dot right light, but in case we move it, I'm just going to use this function. And then we want to get the click detector, so local right light click detector equals functions dot find instance right light click detector. And then we can say RL click detector dot, I believe it's mouse click. Let me just double check. Yeah, dot mouse click colon connect function. And then yeah, all we do here is just toggle the enabled. So we can say right light dot spotlight dot enabled equals not right light dot spotlight dot enabled. And let's test this out. Yeah, perfect. And then we just do the same thing for the other one. So local left light equals functions dot find instance. I'm assuming it's just going to be left light, and then same for the left click detector equals LL click detector, and then we can say we can just copy this, say LL click detector on mouse click, change this to left light, change that to left light, and we haven't actually made the left light yet, so let's do that. Just duplicate this, call it left light, and just move it to the left side. And then yeah, let's test this out. So we got the right light, then the left light. Perfect. So yeah, that'll be it for this part of the tutorial. And the next part will probably add the animatronics.